Hey guys, we're out on customer Graci's house on Sipp Avenue in Medford. Tree came down here as part of the claim, punctured the roof here. I did a little temporary repair here, just stuck a shingle underneath and just caulked it up. The tree punctured the plywood there as well, made a big hole. There's a temporary repair there. That has to be fixed up. We got damage down here. We got damage in the gutter here, and there's a bunch of damage back on that side of the roof. I'm sure you can see it. But these shingles are not going to be in repairable condition here. These shingles are far too brittle to really be repaired. So I'm going to show you once we try to get up underneath these things here, because the plywood got a hole in it. So we have to get all these shingles off. We got to get all these shingles off, make the repair without damaging these, and I'll show you as soon as I get done ripping this up really what's going on with these surrounding shingles here, because they're pretty brittle and they're already starting to crack. Look at this, just from taking these shingles up. Look at the corner, look at these little pieces here, they're just kind of cracking. Look at these shingles, how they just crack into pieces. Watch. You know, a healthy shingle's not doing that at all. Something that we could repair. It makes me really not even want to disturb this until we get the right work order in, because it's watertight at the moment. But the tree came down this way and punctured here, so I got to take all the surrounding shingle off to take that piece of plywood out, because there's a big hole there. And it's just not going to happen to tie back into these shingles here. You can see these have been up here for, geez, I don't know how long, but the shingles are the old 3-tab shingle. It's supposed to last 20 years. I can guarantee you this is older than that. And for me to take the liability to try to tie into this stuff here is no good. So I'm really not even going to try to disturb this any further. And we'll send in an estimate for the proper scope of work here to get this roof back in functioning order. Okay.